starting up your YouTube channel and you're worried about what gadgets and equipment you should use to start your YouTube channel journey, this is the same question I got from various content creators that just want to start their journey on YouTube. Really, I will let you know that you don't need to spend too much to get gadgets and equipment. You don't really have to have everything in place before you start your YouTube channel. So that means you can get started with just little things you have around you in your house. Yes, so right in this video I will make you understand the few things you have to get to start your YouTube channel, because I've seen a lot of excuses. Oh, really, I don't have the lighting setup, I don't have this, I don't have that, I really don't know, I am not going to start, I am worried, what phone should I use? After this video, really, I want to know your excuse. I see. Okay, so if you have been contemplating on starting your YouTube channel, you haven't started at all, and this video is meeting you right now, I believe right after this video you want to get started. So if you need a tutorial on how to create your YouTube channel and brand the channel, I have dropped the link in the description box for you, so you can get to watch that video and create your own YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome here. I am Yinka Adebayo. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting content like this. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch this video. Without taking much of our time, let's get into this video proper. So, what are those things I have been using for past few years and has been helping my channel? Those are what I'm going to recommend for you in this video, so you can get to know that you don't really need to break the bank before starting your YouTube channel. So what is the first equipment that I have been using myself personally? So the first thing you should have is your mobile phone. Okay, with your mobile phone you can get to create your channel, get to create your content, get to edit your content, name it. Like everything you need can be done with your smartphone. Any phone that is good enough to show your face, that's if you're going to your face content like mine, that is clear enough to show your viewers your own face, is good for you, girl. It's good for you, guy. Just get it and settle with it for now. Don't break the bank. Okay, I have these people that used to reach out to me based on their mobile phone, and they were like, okay, this phone, the camera is not really giving. I was like, wait, have you cleaned the camera screen? Have you tried for once to clean your camera screen? If not, see, go and get a pure white cloth and clean the screen of your camera. Clean it and use it. Your phone is clean enough, okay? And some people used to like, oh, my phone is blur, and like different things are happening anytime I record directly using my phone. Do you have your phone case on that phone? I hope it's not that you put a paper and the paper is now blocking the view of your camera. Check it again and use your phone, okay? So after your smartphone, so literally if you can afford getting an iPhone, see, it's good for you, just get it, okay? And if you can get better Android phone like Redmi, I am using Redmi personally, Redmi 13C. The camera is quite top notch, I guess. So you can get better one. You can get like Infinix. I'm not a fan, but I believe it's good. Yeah, people that have been using it should testify in the comment section. You can get Techno, you can get Infinix. See, this is what I will just do in this period. Everybody should drop comments. If you're watching this video, let us know the kind of phone you're using and it's helping you, so that other people can get recommendation of good phone. Like seriously, different people are out there looking for what phone to use, and they are here watching this video. So drop the name of your phone in the comment section so that other people can get to learn from you. Please help others, okay? So the second most important thing that I've been using that has been helping me is the simple lighting setup. It's very simple. It's called ring lights, and that time I got my ring lights were around 10,000 or 8,000 or sorts. Just like 12 inches, or what's the inches, I don't know, but it's just the smaller size carryable, movable. It's simple. If I will show you. This is the picture right here, so you know what I'm saying. So this lighting setup has been helping me. It's only thing I on, and everywhere is bright. I don't know how bright it looks at your side, but I believe this is bright enough to start. For a starter, you don't really need to break the bank. So another recommendation for your lighting setup is you can put a chair facing your window. Direct lighting setup is top notch. So this is what you will do if you want to fall in that shoe. You don't have money for ring lights or any lighting setup now. Just go and check the time that you know that the children around your area they are not around, they are in school. Just get that time and create your content. Be smart enough, put your table, put your chair, create your content fast, so that before they get to come back, you are done with your content, so that the noise will not be coming into your video. Now the third most important thing you should get is microphone. Believe me, I have no microphone, so I'm recording directly to my phone. And really, why I haven't gotten my microphone is because I really don't want to invest in something cheap. I want to get something nice once and for all. So I am gathering my money, please. I am sorry for this if my video have been sounding somehow, but please, this is what I have been doing backstage. Just manage me for now. Okay, because I really don't want to break a bank. Now content creator I be. So the next important thing I have on my list is this thing. This power bank is actually a lifesaver. If I tell you this power bank is a lifesaver, just believe me, because we are in Nigeria, and Nigeria doesn't have good lights. We have been having issue with light. So this power bank is what you will get to save yourself a whole lot of stress. I get to charge this and save it and keep it, so I don't use to vibe or use it anyhow. So I know that if I thought there is no light, I'm falling back to this. Right now there is light, and mind you, there is another thing this thing is doing for me. If there is no light, I get to use it to on my lighting setup. So I get to use this my ring light cord. I put it there to make sure there is light. So let me show you what that looks like. The light is going to go off right now. Okay, so can you see? I know it's dark, but just look at me. It's about to go down, guys. So this is where I can on my ring light. Ta-da! Really? Can you see that? Does it look like magic? No. See? So with this, I have to charge my phone, because I'm using my phone. My phone is my major workshop, and I'm using ring lights also with this. So you see why you should get one for yourself if you really want to go into content creation and you're in Nigeria. Get this. So if time goes on, you are now growing, you can get like second, just to keep to keep it going, because there are sometimes you want to double up with your content creation and you don't just want to be reduced by the amount of maybe no light or anything. But wait, this one look brighter than the direct light, or is it me? Like for real. This power bank actually gave a brighter light than direct NEPA. This is incredible. It's heart touching. Okay, let's just do away with that. Another thing here on my list is this little cutie here. You see, this thing actually comes a long way. Like, it's actually helped a lot. As small as it is and as affordable as it is, do not underestimate this, because there are some times that maybe your cord or anything, you want to plug some things and you have limited space to do that. This can actually save you a lot of things. So the second one you can get is extension. You can just get extension, and if you're someone that loves to move around, maybe you want to go and create content in the restaurant or create content around, you're not staying at home to create your content. If you have this with you, you can get to visit at their restaurant there and get your stuff feast on just this, because if you drag your extension out there, people will be looking at that. So if you have this simple tool, nobody can actually ask you a lot of questions, because I've seen so many content creators complain about people talking to them because they came to create content in their restaurant and everything. So that's a bit of it, but just get this, okay? It's a lifesaver. So what other thing will I recommend for you? Now, my ring light actually comes with this sturdy phone holder. Should I say phone holder, so like tripod stand. So the ring light comes with a tripod stand, so in case you don't have the money to get a ring light, I insist you get a table. So that table will be standing before you, so that table will be placed before you, so you get some book at the back of it and put your phone to just face you. And also, if you know you're going to be standing, you can just hang your phone around the window and use something to back it at the back, like book or something, to make it stand. I know you know how to do these things, so stand before it and record your videos. So really, I want to know what your excuse is. You don't have any excuse. See, if you see the behind the scene of some content creators, you will laugh. Oh, it's really funny. You will laugh. You will take time and laugh. You will laugh at them. Okay, so you really don't need much to start your YouTube channel. Okay, so my advice for you, in case your phone is not really good, if you don't have a good phone, you can be using the back camera. It's very good to create content, because if you don't have good phone, the front camera will not give good quality as at the back of the camera. So the back one should do the work for you. So you can, I don't know how you want to do it, but make sure you place yourself in between the recording so you can get to capture yourself alongside as you record. It's very important. So I recommend you use the back of your phone to record your videos, so you can get better quality of the video. Okay, and you can check for tutorials on how to set your camera up. You can check them on YouTube. You'll see so many tutorials on how to set up your phone camera to make sure you are having quality videos directly from your mobile phone, any kind of mobile phone you're into. See, there is nothing like getting everything now. If you believe you want to invest into everything, you will not get started, because investing into this content creation stuff takes a lot of money. And I believe as a content creator, you should appreciate your little beginning. These things are shared with you at my little beginning, and this doesn't mean that my life is tied down there. No, because as I grow, I get to grow as well, and other things, other new things get to come in. So I remember the time I don't have this. So it was recently I got this. So just so you know that your life is not tied down because you're starting small. It is just for a while, and because YouTube is going to pay you at the long run. Getting little things to start up now should be something of great joy for you. Just get it started. Okay, and do not forget to put in values. Make sure what you're posting is valuable enough. This is how YouTube is going to really help you fast. If you're posting values, people will get to watch your videos. They will get to subscribe. That will give you your first 1,000 watchers. They will get to watch your videos long enough, get to watch other videos. Okay, I have put in the description box other things you can turn on, the settings, other things you can touch on your YouTube channel to make sure YouTube is recommending other videos. You use end screen, you use tag, you use home tab setup on your YouTube studio, all those things. If you put it in place and people get to watch your videos better, that's what is going to quickly amount to your 4,000 watch hours, so you can get to meet the requirement to get monetized faster. So it's the value you put in. This is what will bring other people to watch your content, because if you're putting value in, people will watch the video, they will subscribe, they will like, they will keep watching more of your content. and this is how you're going to grow faster, so that you can get monetized and you start making good money on YouTube. Because your first pay on YouTube can settle all these things, all this English you are saying. Your first pay can give you the best microphone. Your first pay can give you whatever you want to get. Do you understand? So make sure you're doing what you're supposed to do. Don't say all these things you are saying is really, how can a big girl like me? Forget big girl. Forget about big girl. Just do what you're supposed to do. Create your content. Make sure they are valuable enough. Put them here. Make sure you do your videos. Make sure you add tags to your videos. Make sure that your title is clickable. Make sure your thumbnail is also clickable. All these things I'm saying, I have put link in the description box for you to watch tutorial on how to get them done. So that is just it. Really, now you don't have any excuse not to start your channel at all. Okay, if you find this video helpful, like this video, drop comment for me, and let me know in the comment section that you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel now, and definitely I'll see you in the next one.